How to install and use Arattai app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to MPT. Today's video is about how you can install and then use the Arattai app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you'll need to install it. To do that, locate your App Store or your Play Store. This app is available on both, so locate either one of those and then open it up. After you open it up, head over to the search bar. To do that, tap on the bottom right corner on the search, and there you should see the search bar on the top. Tap on search apps and games, and right here simply search Arattai by Zoho. Then tap on the search option, and there you'll find Arattai Messenger. Tap on that. Now this is the app we are talking about, so if you don't know what this app is, you can easily read about this app right here. This is a cloud messaging apps for your friends and family. It's a safe place to connect. It's basically a messaging app. So to install it, tap on the install button and then it should start downloading. And it's just 38 MB, so it should not take much time. And after it installs, you can start setting it up and then use it as well. And it's pretty simple. So there you can see it's almost downloaded and now it's installing. And now let's tap on the open button to open it up. Now you can start agreeing to the terms. You can enter out your verification, your mobile number for verification, and then finally start using the app. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.